Hello, and welcome back to our Bookkeeping Beginner's Guide for Ghanaian Businesses. In today's lesson, we're laying the foundation for your bookkeeping journey by talking about source documents. These are the receipts, invoices, bills, and alerts that prove every transaction in your business. Let's see why they're so important and how to set up a simple system to keep them organized.
Welcome back to our free beginner's guide to bookkeeping for Ghanaian businesses. In our previous lesson, we discussed what bookkeeping was and why it mattered. Today's lesson is about setting up the foundation for our bookkeeping system. We're going to talk about source documents, what they are, why they matter, and how to gather them. Ready? Let's begin. What are source documents? They are the original records of your business transactions, thus proof of a transaction. Let's list a few of them and how they help us gather data for our bookkeeping system. 1. Receipts is issued anytime you buy something from a supplier or service provider. Example: you buy packaging bags from a supplier at Makola Market. They give you a receipt showing the amount paid. Or you purchase airtime/data bundles at the shop and they give you a printed receipt. 2. Invoices, issued anytime you sell goods or services to a customer. Example: a customer orders 20 phone cases from your shop. You issue them an invoice showing the items, quantity, and total amount they must pay. Or if you do catering, you give a client an invoice for food ordered for their party before they make payment. 3. MoMo bank alerts, issued anytime money enters or leaves your mobile money wallet or bank account. Example: customer pays you 200 cedis via MTN Mobile Money. You immediately get a MoMo alert on your phone. Or you transfer 500 cedis from your MoMo wallet to a supplier. Both you and the supplier get alerts as proof. Also, at the end of the month, your bank sends you a statement showing all transactions. 4. Utility bills, issued anytime you pay for business-related utilities or rent. Example: you pay ECG for electricity used in your shop. They send you a bill receipt. Or you pay water bills for your restaurant. You pay shop rent for 6 months, and the landlord gives you a rent receipt as proof. 5. Notes, when no receipt is given. Sometimes small suppliers or informal sellers don't issue receipts. You need to write it down yourself. Example: you buy tomatoes from the local market for your food business, but the seller doesn't give receipts. Write in a notebook: bought tomatoes, GHS 80, 5th Sep 2025. Or you give 20 cedis to a delivery rider, but no receipt is issued. Write it down immediately. Why source documents matter. They help with accuracy, taxes, reporting, accuracy for audits, data for filling taxes for Ghana Revenue Authority, GRA, preparing financial reporting for making business decisions. Putting all these in place attracts investors either in the form of loans or grants. A simple example: if you forget some receipts, your profit looks bigger than it really is, which provide an inaccurate leading to flawed decision-making. How to set up your source document system. 1. Traditional method. Example: collecting all receipts each month and putting them in a folder or envelope at a safe place. Digital method. Example: taking a picture of the source document and saving it to Google Drive or WhatsApp folder. 3. Having a records book. Example: recording daily sales and expenses in a dedicated notebook for sales or purchases. 4. Third-party statements. Example: downloading monthly statements of your MoMo or bank account. Summary: source documents are the foundation of bookkeeping. They are proof of your business transactions. Main types of source documents are receipts, invoices, mobile money, bank alerts, utility bills, notes. Why they matter. They ensure accuracy, proof for taxes, makes audits easier, makes reporting smarter for business decisions. Some setup tips include the traditional method, digital storage method, the notebook method, and lastly, third-party sources. Our next lesson will be how to use these documents to create your bookkeeping system. See you in our next lesson.
Without them, you'll only be guessing. So take time to set up your system and stay consistent. In our next lesson, we'll take things a step further and learn how to use these source documents to build your bookkeeping system. This is where the real magic happens. Tracking income, expenses, and profits in a simple, organized way. See you in the next lesson. It's bye for now from your favorite bookkeeper,